Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute Easter or spring home decor, or you can use it as bookmarks. They are so nice, so easy to make. Let's get started to create this super cute little chicken decoration. You will need a paper punch like this one, a circle punch in order to create the egg, and then another circle punch smaller in order to create the little chick. Okay, let's get started to create this. I will use these two pieces of paper in glitter, and we will need to use a pair of scissors and cut this part. Okay, we will put together the two pieces and then we will cut in this way. Voila, and these are our eggshell here. Voila. Now with this we will cut 3 circles from yellow paper. One circle, we will use one circle for the body and the other 2 for the head. Okay, here we will glue this part here and the other 2 here. Okay, now we will glue together 2 pieces with some white glue. Okay, voila, in this way. Voila. Okay, now better to create this part before gluing together these 2 circles, and with a pair of scissors we will create the part in this way. And if you don't like it, you can skip this part. I think they are so funny. In this way we will glue here this. Okay, voila, and here. Okay, now we will glue the other circle. Here, and our little chick is ready. Voila. Now we will need to glue the chicken to our egg. We will put some glue here on the eggshell, because after we will need to glue together the 2 parts. Okay, voila, and now we will glue this part to the other one. So put some glue here and then glue together. Voila, press down, and here our super cute chicken in the egg. Okay, now we will need to create the eyes and this part. Okay, we will need to create before this part, the beak, and we will need to create a sort of circle with our scissor. Okay, voila. Okay, here we will glue this part, and then we will create the eyes. Okay, here the beak, press down, and then with the pen, I will use this black pen, but you can use the pen you prefer. We will trace the two eyes in this way. Okay, now take your wooden stick and glue this super cute little chicken here. Okay, better to put the glue on the wooden stick. Okay, and then we will finish gluing our super cute little chicken. Perfect, it's in the middle. Perfect, voila. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.